Hey guys, I got the Typhon GT out. We're gonna see if we can get a quick pass in here. Just doing some testing and tuning with it. I hadn't got many runs in since I got it together, so just glad to be able to get a pass in. GPS is on and testing. 12 miles an hour. 0. Start. She's picking up. Let's see what we can do, guys. Alright guys, let's see what we can do here. Some people want to come and watch, so I'll give them a second. Come on out here. Here we go.
That's incredible, isn't it? That's the only thing out here faster than I'd say he's considerably faster. Yeah. How fast was that?
Seemed like a pretty good pass. She was moving. It'll be my first 8S. Run there since I got it together, so it's always a good thing. Still picking up. 176, guys, and I'm shaking. That means it was a good pass. As always, guys, thanks for watching.